Welcome. If you've ever shared important links with friends or family on Messenger, you know how quickly they can get lost in a busy chat. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to find all the links that have been shared in a Messenger conversation, even if you're scrolling through months of messages. This updated method works with the latest version of the Messenger app. So let's jump right in. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, scroll through your chats and tap on the conversation where you want to find the shared links. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. Messenger keeps track of links in both. After you've opened the chat, look at the very top of the screen. You'll see the person's name or their profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This will open the chat settings, where you can see more details about the conversation. Next, you'll see several options. Find and tap on View Media, Files and Links. This section collects all the photos, videos, files, and links that have been shared in this chat. It's a great way to quickly find anything that's been sent without having to scroll through every single message. Once you're in this section, look for the tab or option labeled Links. Tap on it, and you'll instantly see a list of all the links that have been shared in this conversation. They'll be organized by date, making it super easy to find that article, website, or video you're looking for. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can view all the shared links in any Messenger chat. No more endless scrolling or searching through old messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching.